I'm going to do a real quick video here. This is the mixer upper parts. There might be some that I'll have to pull out to put into the San Franciscan that I'm building now, but for the most part, that's not going to happen. I think I'm far enough along on the San Franciscan, which is back here. We still have not forgot the San Franciscan. It's still a go. Whoops. It's still a go. I'm just taking a break from it because I have to have my husband help me do some measurements, and then we're going back at it. I do have to repair one window, and I have to, I think, repair one of the 10 sections of the three pieces of that siding. So that's not a problem. But at any rate, I thought we would go through here. I do want to show you a book, though, that I got at a very familiar and well-known hobby store. And it has this house in it that, let's see, let's go this way. It has this house in it that I would absolutely someday like to build. It's basic. It's a 6-room house. But this author did such a phenomenal job of illustrating and instructing on how to do it. There's the outside. That's the outside. God, I just think that would be so much fun. And so I know that that would be a long-term plan. But look at that, guys. So I'm thinking after the San Franciscan, after the mixer upper, that I might consider this. And like I said, it's got just beautiful rooms of stuff. And the instructions all throughout the book. Patterns, how to make that metal bed, all kinds of stuff. So with that in mind, and this $35 book, I'm thinking I really want to put it to good use and actually build. So, once again, this is parts of the San Franciscan 550 that in it. This was actually, by all rights, kit's number 3. The first kit was given to me, and it was a disaster. And you guys saw what happened to my disaster. That's when good houses go bad. But this was kit number 3, and I bought it online. Got a phenomenal sale. Thank you to the eBay seller that sold it to me at a great price. And so these were fabricated pieces. This is actually masonite. So I'm not going to need that piece. I'm putting it away. These are partitions, and I'm actually going to plan on putting these against the stairwell as balusters, just so that I don't have to build the balusters. I'm not going to lie. And we can put old-time photos and some really cool wallpaper and whatnot on it. Not going to lie, I do not want to build balusters. I don't know why, but I don't like them. So again, here are partitions. These are out of the masonite, so I know I won't use them. Not for this build. Not for this San Franciscan. So I'm going to put those away. Here's a third one. Put it away. There should be 4 of them. These are bed parts that I follow Heather Tracy from Thicket Works. And these are bed frames, and they're a little large, and you basically glue them together to make them thicker and stronger. I'm not going to throw those away because it's very likely we'll use them. Excuse me. This is a fireplace. It's a fireplace front. I don't know what these pieces are, but we'll hang on to them. This, I'm not sure if they're parts of that fireplace or not, but I'm thinking they're going to go there to give that a little character. It's not set in stone. This is tower parts and other parts of the San Franciscan, like I said. They came with that the kit. This is all masonite. I know we won't use that. So I'm just trying to go through and kind of clean up and put stuff away. This is also part of that masonite. It will be in the fixer-upper. This, again, is masonite. It will be in the fixer-upper. So, again, I was given a dollhouse, and I know people say you should never throw it away. You should never throw it away. But I got to be honest with you, this thing was gargantuan. It's the Garfield. Look at it. It's huge. And I just couldn't see taking up space. So I kept a lot of it because I thought, you never know. Who knew then that I would be doing this now? Okay, some like railing, like for a porch. I'm going to keep that. Look, it's an already made window or something. I'm going to keep that. These, I'm not sure what they are, but we're going to find something to use them for. This is the gingerbread trim, and it's not hard to see on that side. I'm not a fan, but you never know. We might find a time and a place for it. This is a room partition. And I know it's got those slots, but that's easily fixed. We can cover that up with some paper mache. But look, it's got a built-in door. Maybe what we could do is build, let me take you up there. We could build a set of stairs that went down to a floor, maybe that started right here, just above this door. So I'm going to hang on to this piece. These are actually sections of a tower. We could actually make maybe a tower or who knows what out of those. So those I'm keeping. This is another floor partition. I mean, we could cut it off here straight across and use it for porch roof, floor, whatever we want. This, again, is the balcony, not a balcony, but it could be a balcony, but like that sunroom, the, I keep forgetting my words, isn't that awful? The part where you would have maybe a table by some windows, like in a tower, like the Tower of the San Francisco, that would be a good keep. We could actually build this. If we're building the tower, we could incorporate it. We could keep it. We'll figure out something for it. If not, we don't have to use it. This is just basic over the door trim, around window trim. That's all that is. But you never know. We may want it. These are just cutouts. Like straight pieces. Maybe flooring. Maybe we want to put that on a porch or something. I don't know. But I thought, well, we'll keep it. More of the same. Or siding. That could be siding on a section of a house. More of the window treatments. Gingerbread. These could be parts of a window. Not sure. Parts of a window. We'll figure it out. But kept that. This could be like trellises. Like a fancy, maybe a French door going outside. Who knows? We kept that. More window treatments, more of those straight cut siding floor pieces. That's an actual door. It's hard to see, but there's an actual door right here. And I want to say a window frame. More of those straight pieces that we'll keep. window treatments again, decorations. These, I'm not sure what they were, but they were really cool. These could actually hold something like, I don't know, put a dowel in there. I don't know. I thought they were pretty cool, so we kept them. These are, I'm not sure. I'm thinking they could be backs to really cool chairs. Yeah, cut that off and build out. Trace this out of cardboard or something. You know, you'd have the 4 legs, front legs, back legs, and possibly cut it off there. And have your seat, chairs, see the 4 legs, side to side? That would be good. So I kept that piece. Oh, this one doesn't want to be made. See, there's tons of them. We could literally make a set of chairs with those. Again, porch railing, or balcony stuff. Lots of that. This is part of the San Franciscan again. These 2 pieces are actually going to be the base. And I'm going to get some 1x and build it up. I may make a rock wall, I don't know. Here again, like porch railing. These are really decorative pieces. I thought, well, you know, I'm not a fan of gingerbread, but these we might be able to keep. We'll find a piece of furniture or something we can use them for. Again, more gingerbread trim. Something we'll find use for. More gingerbread trim, more window trim, door trim. Yet more gingerbread trim, door trim. And this, I thought was pretty cool. I don't know. I might just leave it this way and paper mache over it and make this like a backboard, bedboard, or something. I don't know. It's got potential. I know that. I'm going to keep that and more straight cut pieces, more decorative stuff, steps probably, who knows. And first and second floor. More instructions. More pieces. Not sure what I'm going to do, but we're going to keep them. This was supposed to be part of the roof, but look at that. I mean, we've got a great piece of masonite there. We can do whatever we want with. And again, we might use it for the roof. Again, another piece of great masonite. Might be the roof. Might be something else. I'm kind of leaning towards a homemade roof. Not sure. And then again, another piece of masonite. So that, guys, are the pieces and the parts that we're going to build into the mixer-upper. So if you have any thoughts or ideas, leave them below in the comments. And again, thank you to my subscribers. Have a great night. And thank you for watching Fox House Creations.